Welcome back everyone. For this lesson we'll be covering fraction, decimal and percentage. So a fraction, as we all know, a fraction is two parts. You have a over b, so you have the top part and the bottom part. Top part is known as the numerator and the bottom part is known as the denominator. When writing fraction, we express them in three different ways. One, we have proper fraction. Now when you have proper fraction, it's simply a smaller number over big number. So for instance, we have example, we have 1 over 2, 2 over 3, 3 over 4, 11 over 15. So all of these are proper fractions. When you move to improper fractions, the opposite of proper fractions. So we will have a big number over small number. So we have 4 on 3, 11 on 9, 18 on 10, 7 on 3 and continues. Now when you come to mixed numbers, this time you will have a whole number plus a proper fraction. You will have a whole number plus a proper fraction. So you will have 1 whole and 1 over 2, a proper fraction. 3 whole, 2 over 5, 4 whole, 2 over 7, 11 whole, 15 over 19 and continues. So this is the difference. The very important thing you should know is the conversion of these two. You will be able to convert improper fraction to mixed numbers and mixed numbers to improper fraction. So we will learn the conversion. Now when we try to convert, let's look at how can we convert improper fraction to mixed numbers. So when we want to convert the improper fraction, remember improper fraction is a big number over small number. So for example, we have 4 on 3 to mixed numbers. Then we should have 3 outside, 4 inside. So we have 3 into 4, 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So our dividend, our remainder, and our divisor. So what will happen is the dividend there will become our whole number, the remainder will become our numerator, and the divisor will be our denominator. So when we write it in mixed numbers, we should have 1 whole and 1 over 3. Let's look at another example there. We have 11 over 9. We should have 9 divided 11. 9 into 11, 1. 1 times 9, 9. 11 minus 9 is 2 remainder. Remember, this one is our whole number. We write our whole number first. This one is our numerator. 9 is our denominator. So we have 1 whole 2 over 9. Let's look at 7 on 3. We will have 3 outside divided by 7. 3 into 7. Into 7 we have 2. 2 times 3 is 6 minus. 7 minus 6 is 1. Our whole number is this one. So when we write it in mixed numbers, we should have 2 whole and 1 over 3. Let's write another example. If we have 5 on 2, then we should have 2, 5. 2 into 5, 2. 2 times 2 is 4 minus. 5 minus 4 is 1. This is our whole number. Write it down. 2. This is our numerator, the remainder. 1. This is our denominator. It's 2 whole, 1 over 2. Okay. Now how can we convert mixed numbers back to improper fraction? Okay. So let's see. We have 1 whole 1 over 3 and we have to convert it back to improper fraction. So what we will do is we will write down 1. Okay. So let's rewrite this one again. What we will do now is we will write down 1 and 1 over 3. This time we will have to multiply and we will add. So you will have 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So you should have 4 on 3 as your improper fraction. Let's say the next one is 1, 2 over 9. 1 whole 2 over 9. Again 1, 2 over 9. So 9 times 1 is 9 plus 2 is 11. So we have 11 on 9, improper fraction. Again we have 2 and 1/3. Then we will write 2. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So we will have 7 on 3. to convert it to improper fraction. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say if we have 5 whole 1 over 3, convert it to improper fraction. Then we will have to write down our 5 1 over 3 times plus 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 is 16, so we will have 16. Same denominator across, you should have 16 on 3, improper fraction. Okay, should have 16 over 3. Okay, now let's look at converting fraction to decimal and decimal to percentage. Now this is how we do it. When we are converting a fraction to decimal, then we will have the denominator outside into the numerator there. So 2 into 1 cannot, so you put down 0 point, add another 0. 2 into 10 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, so you will have 0. So your decimal is 0.5. Okay, if you want to convert to percentage, you can simply get the decimal 0.5 multiply with 100, so you will have 1 2, so you should have 50%. Or you can have 1 over 2 times 100, so 100 over 2, you should have 50% again. You can use either of this way. 1 over 4, you should have 4 out into 1. 4 into 1 cannot, put down 0 point, add another 0. 4 into 10 2, 8 2. 4 into 20 is 5, so you should have 0.25. You can have 0.25 times 100 to convert to percent, then 1 2, so you should have 25%. Or you can have 1 on 4 times 100, which is equals to 100 over 4, same again, 25% again. Okay, 2 on 5, same. Okay, now when we have 5 on 2 is a improper fraction. Okay, how we will do it here is the same thing, simply 2 into 5. You will have 2, so 2 times 2 is 4, minus 1, put down point, 0. 2 into 10 is 5, so you should have 2.5. Converted to percentage, 2.5 times 100 is equals to 250%. Simply 5 on 2 times 100, so you should have 500 divided by 2 is 250% again. Okay, when you have whole numbers there or mixed numbers, then you convert it to improper fraction first. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11 on 5. So to find the decimal is 5 into 11. You should have 2, that's 10. To 1 cannot, 0.05 is 2, so you should have 2.2. So 2.2 times 100 is 220%. Or simply 11 on 5 times 100, should have 1100 over 5. 5 into 10 is 2. 5 into 10 again is 2, so it's 0, same. All of activities there, you can complete it to make sure that you understand this